Number 1. 1977 Ford F100 Custom, $7,500, Arlington Heights, Illinois. This well-kept 1977 Ford F100 Custom features an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. With only 25,000 miles, it benefits from a new water pump, hoses, and brake lines. The green paint remains in good condition, and the tires show just 12,000 miles of use. A clean titled, dependable classic pickup with excellent preservation for its age. Number 2. 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne, $8,900, Creswell, Oregon. An original 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne short wide 4x4, showing 107,000 miles, retains its factory wheels, paint, and nearly all components. Used primarily for commuting by its original veterinarian owner, it remains rust-free with an immaculate bed. Powered by a strong V8 and automatic transmission, this unrestored survivor is highly desirable among Chevrolet collectors. Number 3. 1977 Ford F100 Shortbed 2BD, $13,000, Boise, Idaho. This rust-free 1977 Ford F100 Shortbed pickup is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. With 159,000 original miles, it has been upgraded with a lowering kit, Edelbrock intake, and modern radio, while still retaining its classic look. Capable of cruising at highway speeds, it is a tasteful blend of originality and performance modifications. Number 4. 1964 Ford F100, $2,500, Mira, Mesa, California. A budget-friendly project, this 1964 Ford F100 long bed commercial pickup runs but requires attention. It carries a straight-six 262 engine paired with a manual granny gear floor shifter. Fitted with a new carburetor, it runs rough and shows play in the steering. Despite its flaws, it remains fully registered with a clean title, offering vintage charm at an affordable price. Number 5. 1965 GMC Big Window Cab Long Bed, $7,000, Chowchilla, California. This 1965 GMC Big Window Long Bed is a mostly rust-free project, powered by a 350 V8 and turbo 400 transmission. It runs but is not currently street drivable due to wiring harness issues. With an updated steering column and non-operational registration status, it is a solid base for restoration thanks to its desirable big window cab design. Number 6. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Caddy diesel pickup, $8,100, Portland, Oregon. This 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Caddy diesel pickup is known for its efficiency, capable of nearly 50 miles per gallon. It shows an estimated 146,000 miles with a replacement motor installed in 2021. Equipped with a manual transmission, new glow plugs, and refreshed suspension, it offers excellent economy and practicality, a rare European compact truck appealing to enthusiasts of diesel reliability. Number 7. 1975 Ford F100 XLT Ranger 4x4, $2,000, Sheridan, Montana. Offered as a project, this 1975 Ford F100 XLT Ranger four-wheel drive pickup is fitted with a rebuilt 360 V8 and automatic transmission. With 165,900 miles, it starts and drives, but suffered cab damage from a fallen tree branch. New tires, coilover shocks, and helper springs enhance drivability, though it likely requires a cab replacement to be fully restored. Number 8. 1982 Jeep J10, $7,500, Sheridan, Montana. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with manual transmission, this 1982 Jeep J10 is a rugged four-wheel drive truck. With 115,000 miles, it runs and drives excellently, and all functions operate as intended. These trucks are increasingly scarce and represent the distinctive styling and utility of Jeep's full-size pickup line. Number 9. 1989 Chevrolet Truck 6.1-liter diesel flatbed, $7,400, Espanola, New Mexico. A former U.S. Air Force vehicle, this 1989 Chevrolet diesel flatbed shows only 75,841 miles. It features a 7x12 aluminum flatbed, dual rear wheels, two 20-gallon fuel tanks, and an electronic brake controller. Recent service includes rotors, pads, batteries, and suspension work. A heavy-duty, low-mile hauler with proven durability. Number 10. 1965 Ford F100 Original, $9,900, North Fort Collins, Colorado. This unrestored 1965 Ford F100 is a true survivor with faded turquoise paint and a straight body. Powered by the 300 cubic inch inline-6 and manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, it runs and drives but needs carburetor attention. Showing just 10,500 miles on a rolled odometer, it remains highly original and collectible. Number 11. 1996 Ford Ranger, $500. Mitchellville, Iowa, a non-running 1996 Ford Ranger with 166,448 miles, 6-cylinder engine, and manual transmission. Finished in red, it has a clean title but requires significant work to return to the road. At just $500, it is best suited as a parts donor or a full restoration challenge. Number 12. 1979 Ford F-150, $13,000, Springfield, Oregon. This 1979 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive pickup features a 351 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and 58,500 miles. With only 2 owners, it comes with detailed maintenance logs dating back decades. While rust is present due to coastal life, it remains mostly original and runs well. A well-documented classic F-Series that combines utility with provenance. Number 13. 1950 Ford F1 pickup, $17,500 at Richland, Washington. A charming post-war classic, this 1950 Ford F1 features a flathead V8, 3-speed floor shift, and 12-volt conversion. Rust-free and wearing an older restoration, it rides on Coker white-wall tires. Mostly stock in appearance and function. It runs well and stands as a highly collectible early Ford pickup. Number 14. 1978 Chevrolet K20, $13,000, Bend, Oregon. This 1978 Chevrolet K20 square body 3/4 ton 4x4 has been upgraded with a rebuilt Cadillac 500 cubic inch V8, rebuilt transmission, and transfer case. With 123,456 miles, it also carries fresh tires and a rust-free body. The interior shows age, but mechanically it is strong. A desirable heavy-duty classic for those who appreciate big block power.